the whole of my heart, the best of my soul, each phase of my life, each breath in my lungs. Consider it yours, Lord. Consider it yours, Lord. The failures I hide, the victories I don't, each battle I fight, each crown that I hold. Consider it yours, Lord. Consider it yours, Lord. All the glory forever, the grave that you won, the praise of the heavens.